So it's the second day of March, and I'm gonna hike out here to the Overlook, East Laurel, then come back to here and go down the Cumberland Valley loop to the O&W trail and the old, no longer existing town of Gernt along the O&W railway, and then look for some stuff up East Laurel Fork. So it'll be pretty good. Start the day off with this really cool overlook out here. So come along with me. That'll be a good one. All right, I've came back from the Overlook to where I'm parked and heading off over the hill down toward O&W and the old town of Gernt. All right, at the foot of that mountain, and I'm already dreading going back up it after a while. But we're standing here on North White Oak Creek in the old German town of Gernt. Let's head on up the creek. All right, where we were along North White Oak Creek and the O&W Railroad, we turned off from it right back there. And this is East Laurel Fork. And there was a small railway that came up this way many, many years ago that hauled logs out of here. And we're gonna go today and try to look for the part of the old steam engine. I've been there once that they abandoned when the logging played out. And well, somebody's got an old campsite and a tripod and everything right here. And a bunch of old brick laying around. They've got brick here in their fire pit. And then there are some old building structures right up here. I see some of the brick in it. Have no idea what this was. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff went on in this little area. No idea what, but all the concrete structure stuff, brick, all kinds of stuff just gone. Just abandoned. I don't know. Look around some more. You know what that is? That's the overlook we stood on first thing this morning before we started over the mountain. We're probably 1.5 miles up from the junction where East Laurel runs into North White Oak. And we found the old steam engine boiler, or the donkey engine that some people call them. And this one up in here was used to power a sawmill. Part of that old engine, it may be 50 yards away right over there. And here, really close to the creek, is what I believe to be the smokestack from it. It's a pretty high one. But riveted together. I guess there's a ring that held it on to the old engine back there. I don't know. And there were some bolt holes there, so evidently there was more of this at one time. Then, just a very few feet away from it, somebody abandoned their mountain bike. Oh well. Yeah, there's the old engine again, steam boiler. We'll head down here and look up a stream that flows in. I have some interest in getting up in there someday. Don't think I will today, but just kind of do a little recon while I'm out here enjoying the day right now. Pretty close to me back out to Gernt and the trail that goes back up the mountain to where I'm parked. But I had to stop here and take a break at the picnic table, and man, it's a beautiful spot. Gonna head on now, and all I gotta do is get back up that mountain. But goodness gracious, it's a steep one. Well, oh, tell North White Oak Creek goodbye, and up this mountain, man. I ain't looking forward to it a bit. But that's where my car's at. See you at the top. Hey, folks. Done for the day. But I'll tell you something, from that O&W trail down at Gernt to the top of the mountain, at the end of the Cumberland Valley Road and the White Oak Overlook out there, gosh, that's a monster of a hill. I mean, it's a heck of a climb out there, but it's worth it to me. I enjoyed every bit of the day. Well, except that climb, but not too bad. But anyway, I just wanted to, thank you guys for coming along. Kind of doing a little recon on some possible waterfalls out there. Not enough water flowing, I didn't think, to be worthy of going up in that rhododendron filled valley looking for them. So may be able to get to them from a different way too. So, not done with it by any means, but just not today. But the streams down there, whether at North White Oak or East Laurel Creek, they are beautiful. Just a very nice area. And of course the old steam engine boiler and all that, and then the smokestack I didn't know about the other time I was there, but found it laying over there. So I mean, overall great day. I really enjoyed every second of it. Mid 40s now, not cold. Yeah, couldn't ask for any better. So appreciate you coming along with me, and please keep coming back. There'll be a lot of these. So, and as long as you guys keep watching them, I'll keep making them. So, thanks a million. This is Peppo in the Woods. See ya.